Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. Today, we'll be doing Lesson 7, Dragon Kung Fu style.
Step-by-step tutorial of Dragon Kung Fu. Let's go. The first move, your right leg step back to get ready your dragon hand. And first move, you go blocking to go both sides. And you make a small step to left and you go attack straight. 1, 2, shoot, boom, and go shoot, boom. Yeah, that's you can how you practice with your partner. So this can be self-defense. You go bone your knee and you pull this arm, you twist and get to grabbing the neck. Alright, this is the first two moves how to practice with real application. Let's continue to do two more moves. You dragon hand and you go one blocking and you step your left and same time go attack. And number 3, you do circle step. You step your right and same time you're blocking your right and cross your both hand in this way, and then you step back your left same time your both hand go open to block another side clearly. So for number 3 and number 4 is blocking move 2, 1 and 2. That's how this move used for. Let's go to the last part to achieve the Dragon Kung Fu Lesson 7. Ready? Dragon hand and number 1 go block. And number 2, go attack. And number 3, go blocking. Number 4, and blocking. Number 5, actually you leave your right leg first. You take off, jump by your left, and you're switching your right hand and left hand front to grabbing. That you make a sweep and become first stance. And you step your right, and your right hand go up, and you go attack down by your dragon hand. Which you grabbing and you step out and you boom, you rattling this girl and you finish by your dragon hand. Alright, good job, Emily. Get up. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for Lesson 7 Dragon Kung Fu. Right, Emily?
See you in our next video. Lesson 8, Dragon Kung Fu style. But this time, it'll only be me.
Yeah! 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 No! I'm also there! I'm always there! I'm always there! Yeah! I will be in Lesson 7! I see you in Lesson 8! I will see you! Yes!